Dear friends, today I'm going to speak about a book. Its title is Public Policy, A View from the South. This book is written by Vishal Narayan in 2018 and it has 212 pages. Vishal Narayan is working with MDI and he has interest in sanitation, water and other policy issues. As far as this book is concerned, this book is very important intervention to understand the various aspects of public policy, and this book was published by Cambridge University Press. If you will read this book, you will find that it is a critique of the global north, because this subject has emerged in the north and we have very few books that are focusing on the global south, and this book is trying to lack that gap. And it is very important to understand how public policy has emerged in the north and crept into the global south, and this subject has attracted a huge number of students, adult learners from different disciplines. As we all know, India is a cradle of public policies because we are a welfare state, and our governments used to implement various public policies, and we have a huge number of public policies in every state. We have multiple policies and multiple programs in order to address the various social issues, in order to address the various economic issues. So India is an appropriate site for understanding the various strands of public policy, but it was inadequately examined and largely ignored topic, and this book is addressing such gaps. And I recommend this book to understand public policies, how it emerged and thrived in country like ours, because we are implementing massive policies and which is unique in the world, such as we have MG Narega, we have various programs for rural employment, we have multiple programs for urban development, we have several programs for rural development, we have several programs for tribal development. How these programs are working and where are the bottlenecks, what are the challenges we are facing. So this is very important intervention to understand all these aspects of public policy. Thank you so much.